With projectors packing more and more of a punch in desirably compact designs, it's becoming challenging to decide where to spend your money. Portable projectors are dominating the market, but many fall short on lumens and overall output quality. This is the P6X Pico projector by AAXA. With a native resolution of 1280 by 800, it's not up there with 4K capabilities or even 180p, but it serves its purpose with the added 1100 LED lumen bulb inside. So unboxing this guy and you get the projector itself, remote control, AV cables, wall charger, tripod and a rather simple user manual. When we take a look around this compact projector, it's safe to say it really has a nice design. With the use of a glossy black plastic and silver outskirts, it really polishes off the premium look the manufacturer is going for. If we take a look at the back, this is the aspect of the projector that did truly shock me, and that was the onboard speaker. Yes, this is only a 4-watt internal speaker, but it doesn't sound tinny at all, and it offers a room-filling sound that is somewhat equivalent to an entry-level soundbar. Take a listen to this.
And almost completely unshielded. The opposite of what we're up against.
Also on the back you have your battery indicator letting you know how much onboard charge you have. With an average on time of about 4 hours. It isn't going to be an all-day device, but for the purposes of maybe 2 movie viewings or presentations, is that really a concern? On the left side we have an impressive cluster of inputs and outputs. You have your power for charging, USB input for media playback and also output charging, AV and headphone output, a HDMI input, and finally, your rather simple focusing dial. Now the great thing about this portable projector is this switch here. It allows you to operate the projector by switching it into charge mode for when your battery is flat, then off, allowing you to run straight off the power supply if your battery is flat, and on to operate using the battery life. So there is versatility when it comes to relying on the power source. The battery is a great option, but it's not something you're always going to need to rely on. Setting up takes less than a couple of minutes. You're very much reliant on just finding the perfect focus using the dial on the side. As mentioned, we are only unfortunately operating at 1280 by 800, so not tapping into 180p, but as you can see, the outputted image is unrecognizable to that scale. The picture's sharpness is spot on, the colors and blacks are standout fantastic, and the overall brightness, even with the lights on, is pretty impressive. 160 inches is the recommended maximum screen size. Here I'm operating at 100 inches and for me this was a sweet spot. It's very much your decision on how you intend to use a projector like this, be it for light gaming, presentations or a cinematic feel at home. However, keep in mind there is no onboard Android system of any kind, it is just reliant on HDMI inputs or media playback from the onboard USB or SD card slot. DLP projectors like these tend to deliver the highest brightness, contrast and just overall picture quality much better than a standard single LCD projector. To put this in perspective, a DLP system is the same technology found in movie theaters across the world. With that, you aren't getting the dull colors, low contrast and low brightness that an LCD projectors produce. All in all, a projector like this is not there to replace a wall-fitted unit. Its intentions are to offer portability at its best. If you're on the market for a projector, be it for gaming or maybe movie viewing, and you want that portability aspect, this is a strong contender. Check out the product in the link in the description, let me know what you think, and as always, I'll see you next time.